God is saying to you today, no weapon formed against you shall prosper, and every tongue that rises against you in judgment you shall condemn. You have faced battles, but remember I am your shield. The darts of the enemy may be aimed at you, but they will not reach their mark. What was intended to harm you will only serve to strengthen your faith and deepen your trust in me. Do not fear the words spoken against you, for I will give you the power to silence them. The accusations will fall flat, and the truth of my love
God is saying to you today, I am the Lord who heals you. I will restore your health and mend your broken heart. When you feel weary, overwhelmed, or lost in your pain, know that I am with you, holding you close and carrying your burdens. My beloved child, do not lose hope. The wounds you carry are not the end of your story. They are a chapter in the beautiful journey of healing and restoration I have planned for you. I see the struggles you face, the tears you've shed in silence, and the battles you fight alone. You are not forgotten, and your pain has not gone unnoticed. Even in the darkest moments, I am working. I am weaving every part of your life into something beautiful, a testimony of hope, healing, and resilience. Trust me, even when you cannot see the full picture.
You drink pee. I don't drink pee. Yep. Mommy, you drink all pee. I don't want to drink all pee. I don't think Is cow like milk? You like milk? No. I'll pay back in the cow. Okay, let's find the cow. Hey, you, I'll pay back for you. I'll pay back. No, you don't. Mommy, what is it? Mommy, do you want Chick-fil-A? The girl want to. And Mom, the girl wants Chick-fil-A? Mom, the girl wants Chick-fil-A. Coca-Cola. Yeah. So I have the girls. See right there. And I'll stuck in the cheers. Hey, what? See, this is what? I was snack. Whoa. Wanna go fast? Hell, man. This is hungry because I want Chick-fil-A. Yeah, me too. Yeah, me too.